All right, in example 7, we're going to confirm solutions by using technology. Okay, so we have the Kepler third law of planetary motion in here from 1619. And this states that the square of the time it takes a planet to orbit the sun t is proportional to the cube of its planet's mean distance from the sun a. So this relationship we can rewrite that as t, the time it takes the planet to orbit the sun, is equal to the root of a cubed, which a is the distance, the mean distance, right? The average distance a planet is away, right? Because we're in an elliptical shape, right? So it's not always the same distance from the sun. Here's our equation for t. T is measured in years. A is measured in astronomical units, AU. It takes Mars 1.8 years, so that'd be our t is equal to 1.88 years. And to orbit the sun, find the mean distance. So A is the mean distance in astronomical units, Mars to the sun. So we want to find A, right? So we have t 1.88. That's equal to the square root of A cubed. We're trying to find A. So we can rewrite this as a fractional exponent, right? Actually, we don't even have to. How do we get rid of square root? We square both sides. So I'm going to square that. And then I have a cubed, and how do I get rid of a cubed? I cube root, right? So look at all that nonsense. So basically it's 1.88 raised to the 2/3, right? And we could have started like that. 1.88 equals the cube root of a, or the square root, sorry, the square root of a cubed as a fractional exponent, right? 3/2. And then how do I get rid of raising to the 3/2? I raise it to the 2/3, right? Because I want to get rid of dividing by 2 by multiplying by 2 and get rid of multiplying by 3 by dividing by 3. But that means I have to raise this to the 2/3, right? Because when we raise powers to powers, we multiply, but this 1.88 is not a power, so I need to raise that to the 2/3. So I can take on my calculator 1.88, do alpha link, or do my little hat button that gets my exponent, and then do alpha link to create 2/3, hit enter, and there's my astronomical units of how the mean distance Mars is from the sun. So whatever that number is on your calculator.